Yo, what's up, guys? This is my SDG build, pit bike build. So, right now I'm basically just stripping everything down. Found another frame I'm gonna use that has a nice set of forks on it. I'm gonna keep the BBR handlebar extenders. And basically gonna be putting a YX140 engine in it. Expecting this little thing to be a ripper. I've done this before many times where I've built them up and then basically just sold them. Just a little hobby for me. So here's the engine right here. Yeah, guys, stay tuned.